Hey guys, good morning. It's, well, good morning here. I don't know what time you're watching this video, but my LRP box for February just arrived and I'm super pumped to show you what I got this week. So we do the unboxing of my wellness box. So I just popped the top. Lots of amazing goodies this week. I did a bit of a larger order than what I normally do. Simply because I was low on a few things and needed to do that. But the benefit was that I had banked a ton of points from November, December, and January, so I had a whack load of points that I was able to use to get a bunch of free product this month. So I'm excited to show you. First of all, as per normal, my Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is a non-negotiable for me each month. I finally have Tom doing it regularly as well. So this is the supplements that that I do every single morning, and every once in a while I bump it up. And for January, I bumped it up so that I was doing half of my dose in the morning, half of my dose in the evening with meals. I find that for my stomach, it does better if I eat it on with meals. So I've got my Lifelong Vitality, which is an Alpha CRS, which is a cell renewal complex. I've got my basically a multivitamin, which is about as close to that as I can explain it. Although I don't think that does it benefit. And then thirdly was the fish oil. So, Lifelong Vitality. I also picked up my Terrazyme, my PB Assist, hold on, and my Mito 2 Max. So, the beauty with this, so I ordered from the States this month. So what I love about this is with your Lifelong Vitality Pack, you, as I've got things flipping up there, can customize your supplement, which is amazing. So these three normally, I don't know what the exact prices are normally off the top of my head, but I get a significant discount on all three of these or other supplements. You could get the DDR Prime, you could get the Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex, the kids vitamins, etc. But with these guys, what I was able to do is get them at a reduced cost because I partnered them with the Lifelong Vitality. So not only are you getting a really great deal on the Lifelong Vitality, but these three you get at a reduced price if you bundle them together with the Lifelong Vitality. So Mito 2 Max, it's a non-stimulant energy booster for the day, which is great. I usually take one in the morning and then one right before I go to pick up the kids. My Terrazyme, which is my digestive enzymes, and my PB Assist, which is my probiotic. All right, these guys, I picked up my On Guard throat drops and my Breathe throat drops. They're really great for this time of year, especially if anyone's getting run down. These are really good too, by the way, the throat drops. If you're just finding that your throat is dry and you need sort of like something in the middle of the day, really awesome to get on. For anybody that gets started with me, of course, you know that I get my On Guard. I give a couple of one of these, the On Guard toothpaste samples, and then also a Deep Blue sample. So we've been welcoming lots of people into our doTERRA family, which is awesome. So I picked up a bunch more of these guys. This, by the way, if you're ever traveling and you don't want to take a whole tube of toothpaste, look how convenient these are. I just absolutely love them. So they're little toothpaste samples. For a week, I maybe popped 3 of them because this is a good, for me, 2 days worth of toothpaste uses in them. So really great sample, super easy to pack, takes up a lot less space. What else? Oh yes, the Virage skincare line, all 4. Very carefully, I'm going to open this up because I need to repackage it, but it comes with the toner, the serum, the cleanser, and the moisturizer. Such an awesome package there. The Virage cleaner is 100% plant-based, which I really love for anyone. It's 100% clean, no issues whatsoever with what's in the product there. So it's just a really great support system for you. Excuse me. Correct-X. I wish I'd had this yesterday. We ran out earlier, like last week, which is why I popped it on my LRP. Maggie managed to get a, she ran into a foosball table of all things last night. So this is like the equivalent of doTERRA's equivalent to polysporin, which is great. I picked up some On Guard beadlets, which are super great. What else? Oh, Serenity sleep capsules, which are great. I always use more conditioner than I use shampoo. So I picked up a couple of extra conditioners. The On Guard Cleaner Concentrate, as it goes flying. And then my 2, this is what I love about doTERRA. Every single month, as long as you do a 100-point order, there we go, you get a free oil that month. And this month it was the Lavender Touch, which I got for free. And then I also got 10% off Passion, so I grabbed that as well. I always love to grab those deals. So every month doTERRA has something available. This month it's Passion, which is a really great blend, especially for February because it's the love month. So you get this 10% off up until, actually the whole month for 10% off. And as long as you do a 125-point order before the 15th of the month, you get lavender for free. All right, so let's take a quick recap of this, just to give you guys a quick picture of what I got this month in my LRP box, or my wellness box, whatever you want to call it. You'll notice actually that I have very few oils this month. I have got like tons of oils, and even though I go through them regularly, I don't always need to restock. So I got my 2 oils for free, which was awesome. I'm not doing a very good job of showing what these are going to look like. And my supplements. All right, come on over. Check this out, guys. 1 second. Oh, I can't do it right now. All right, so this is everything that was in my wellness box this month. And I don't remember exactly what I got for free, but I do remember a few things because I thought, oh, good, I really want to grab those. They're lower in points compared to, so I know I got these guys for free. I got the conditioners for free. I got the the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate and the Virage Cleaner for free. So all this I paid for, which was great because that got me over, and this is all the stuff that I got for free. And the reason that is, I know this video is getting long, but it's because over time I accumulate points. So as I mentioned, in November, December, and January, I placed orders which got me upwards of 175 points. Because I've been doing the LRP for more than 3 months, for more than a year, excuse me, I get 30% back on every single order that I can bank those points and use them for free product, which is all of this stuff. All of that stuff for free, which is amazing. So my skincare line, cleaning products for the house, conditioner, Deep Blue packets, I think I got those for free, I can't remember, and the Breathe and throat drops for both Breathe and On Guard. All right, that's it. That was my wellness box this month, my LRP box. Any questions, comment below, and I'll make sure that I get back to you guys on whatever you need help with. All right, take care.